hope you're having an amazing day. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you are enjoying my videos, if you could subscribe, that would help me out a ton. It's completely free and takes less than 3 seconds. So if you could do that, that would be amazing. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So here I am at Dollar Tree, and I literally couldn't believe my eyes that I found a 1/4 gallon of glue, clear glue, at Dollar Tree. So when I looked at the glue, I tried to find if there was an ingredients list to see if the glue had PVA, which is a key ingredient to make slime. But there wasn't an ingredients list, so we're just gonna have to see if this works for slime. So the first thing I noticed when I opened the glue is that there is no seal, which is kind of unusual because pretty much every glue has the seal to prevent the glue from drying or leaking. So if this glue activates, I'll let the slime sit for it to clear up, and then I'll show you guys the results. So I just poured the glue into the bowl, and the glue looks super clear, which I'm really impressed by. By the way, the brand of this glue is Scholastic. Now for the moment of truth, to see if the glue activates. I'm using a borax activator of 1/2 teaspoon borax dissolved in a cup of hot water. As soon as I poured the activator into the glue, the slime was activating immediately. So I'm gonna keep on adding activator until the slime is at the right consistency. I've also never seen this glue at Dollar Tree, so this is probably a new item. One thing I will say about this glue is that I activated it and it seemed like it was pretty much done. And then when I put it in my hands, it was like completely sticky. Okay guys, so after activating the whole slime, this is how it looks. Right now the slime has a lot of air bubbles in it, so that's why it's cloudy. I did overactivate the slime so that when we let it sit, it won't melt completely. So now I'm putting the slime in an airtight container to let it clear up. I will see you guys when the slime clears up.
3 days later.
Okay guys, so I'm back, and it took the slime 3 days to clear up, which is pretty fast. Look how clear the slime is. It looks like it's just plain glue. I can see my fingers through it super easily, and it's like crazy. The trick to getting crystal clear slime is when the slime is clearing up, to not to touch it no matter what. If you touch it while it's clearing up, the slime gets like a chemical reaction and it turns yellow and foggy. That even happens if your hands are clean. So just be patient and let your slime sit, and your slime will be clear. Slime is so thick even though I used a regular clear slime activator. Overall, I'd rate this glue a 10 out of 10. And the price of this glue is like just unreal. $1 for 32.4 ounces of clear glue. That's just unheard of. My opinion is that this glue is as good as Elmer's, and if you were to buy 32 ounces of clear glue, it would cost around $9, which is 9 times more expensive than the Scholastic glue from Dollar Tree. If you were to buy a gallon's worth of this glue, that would cost $4, and if you were to buy a gallon of Elmer's clear glue, that would cost $20, which is 5 times more expensive than this glue. So I'd highly recommend this glue. The slime is also holdable, so I can just play with it in one hand, which is really nice. That was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. It would help me out a ton, and it's completely free. See you guys in my next video. Bye!